Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 290 Limited Front-Wheel Drive L2 needs Turbo Euro 6 bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 92,385. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows, aircon, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,325 plus VAT. Click the link in the description.